How to get started using Interac e-Transfer for business. Looking to simplify business payments? Interac e-Transfer for business is a fast, convenient, and secure way to level up your finances. Pay your suppliers, distribute tips, request payment from your clients, and more. Interac e-Transfer for business lets you send and request money with ease. To start, you'll need a Canadian bank account with a participating financial institution and Interac e-Transfer for business enabled. You'll also need to access your online banking along with an email, phone number, or account number to work with. Now let's review how to use Interac e-Transfer for business for sending money. Once you're ready, start by signing in to your online banking service. Choose the option to send money with Interac e-Transfer for business. Where this is located depends on which financial institution you bank with. Next, you'll see a list of your business accounts, like checking or savings. Select the one you want to send money from. Now, choose a recipient. If this is your first time sending them money, you'll have to add them as a recipient first, using their name and their email or phone number. If they're registered for Interac e-Transfer Auto Deposit, you'll see their full legal name. Always verify these details are correct. If your recipient is not registered for auto deposit, you'll need to create a security question for them to answer to complete the transaction. Make sure your answer isn't too obvious or information that can be found online, and never share it in the memo field. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. Transaction limits are usually up to $25,000 and set by your financial institution. If you have questions about the transaction limit, contact your financial institution directly. You'll have the option to include a message. This could be an invoice number for both your records or other important details for the other party to know. Follow the instructions and confirm all details. Once confirmed, the money can be sent. After sending, you, the recipient, and your financial institutions will receive real-time confirmation the transaction is complete, and the transaction history will be available. Now let's look at how to request money with Interac e-Transfer for business. Start by signing in to your online banking service. Choose the option to request money with Interac e-Transfer for business. Then you'll need to choose a party to request money from. If this is your first time requesting money from them, you'll have to add them as a contact first, using their name and their email or phone number. Always verify that these details are correct. After that, enter the amount of funds you would like to request. Sending amounts may vary based on the financial institution and the account used by the recipient of the request. Include a message. This could be an invoice number for both your records or other important details for the other party to know. Review and confirm all the details you entered before clicking Send Request. When the recipient approves payment, you, the recipient, and your financial institutions will receive real-time confirmation of payment completion. Funds will be available in your account along with the transaction history. Learn more at interac.ca.